Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode we got this cool right here, and here's what this is a wireless charger. If you didn't see, for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here, they mention how it does provide guys up to 20 watts of power when we do use it, and it does have power delivery option, and it uses USB-C to give you guys a fast charging speed when you guys do use it. So that spec is for the actual charger, where for the actual wireless charger right here, they do provide the specs on the bottom. So for the wireless charger, it provides guys 15 watts. It does have the overheat protection, overcharge protection, etc. And this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So the first thing inside right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right underneath that, we do have the product and they give you guys a charger. Let's take it all out. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So right here we do have the brand name, and here we do have the USB-C output. On this side right here, we do have the 2-prong option to plug it in. And like I mentioned, for this one, it does provide 20 watts of power. Where for right here, we do have the wireless charger, and it does have the brand name. And this side right here, we do have the plug outlet. So it is USB-C, you can see. And I love how they do provide a strap for you to organize your cable, which is pretty cool. And here is the back of the product. And that is pretty much everything that's included in the package. What I'll do right now is to plug this in and test out to show you guys when it actually works. And we'll also show you guys how much power it does provide when we do use it. So to test this out, let me plug this in. We do have my little tester right here. And we're plugging into my wall charger. And right here I do have my portable power station. So we do plug it in. This side right here, we'll put it onto my phone. So it does have a magnetic design, you can see. And we guys do turn the front part. Let me show you guys what the front part looks like. So stick it on. It does provide the MagSafe logo, you can see. So the product definitely does work. And when you guys do look at how much power it does provide, it does provide guys a good amount of power. Right now it's running around 5 watts and slowly going up. So depending on what device you guys do use it for, the number will probably be higher. If you guys do use it for iPhone, it probably won't be too high, especially since it is a wireless charger and not a direct cable plugging into the iPhone. But you can see the product definitely does work when we do use it. And it's currently charging our phone, you can see. So right now it's around 6 watts. It doesn't seem like it's going any higher than that because it is an iPhone. And the magnet that's on here, you can see, is actually pretty strong. So it's definitely strong enough for you to hold your phone if you guys do want to, you can see. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality MagSafe wireless charger to use to charge your phone or any other device, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.